Assalamualaikum friends, here is 100 3D text effect, and that's mean a multi-purpose text effect for Adobe Illustrator, AI and APS file with a preview, but these are protected password in this app. iPhone user can contact me. This app is for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, Sheri SK on Facebook. Last is Telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every notification of video first here, so subscribe this. Okay, here is 100 text effects. Okay, stand up comedy editable text. You see, here is a modern cyber, joyful, so you can edit in Illustrator. Forest, and here is here is a light effect. That's mean all files are fully editable in for Adobe Illustrator. These are protected password in this app. Download this app for lifetime password access. Okay, take care, Allah.